today's video, I will share with you how I made $450 in gross sales in one day selling 17 items on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. I share this information with you in hopes that you can find similar items to flip for a profit online. These are items that I have personally thrifted at Goodwill, other thrift stores, garage sales, or estate sales, with one item being from my daughter's closet. I will save the highest price sale for last, so stick around until the end of the video to see what sold fast for the most money. My name is Sandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook, and Amazon. Today's What Sold video is a flip fast for cash edition where I grossed close to $450 in one day, which happened to be a Wednesday. Stick around until the end of the video to see what sold for the most money. Now let's get started. I sold this new with tag Ducks Unlimited baseball cap for women. It's been listed for 7 months. I did just end the listing on Poshmark and Mercari and relisted it as a brand new listing in February. I accepted a best offer of $10. I paid $1 for the hat, leaving my profit $6.05. It was listed 7 months, so I was happy to see it go for $10 and make some profit. The next item also sold on Poshmark, a pair of Nike Active shorts. These were actually from my daughter's closet. So my cost of goods on this was $0. I sold them for $14. They were listed for less than 2 months. My profit, $9.55. Next up is a We the Free shirt. This I've had since 2019. I did end the listing on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and I relisted it on every platform using List Perfectly. It has been listed 1 month, and I accepted an offer of $15 on Mercari, leaving my profit on this $11.76. I paid $1 at a consignment store back in 2019. Next up is a new with tag black pencil skirt. I paid $1 for this, also back in 2019 at that same sale. It's been listed for quite some time. I did end the listing and relist it back in February. It finally sold for $16, leaving my profit on this item $10.30. So as long as I'm receiving a fairly decent offer and can make some money on these long tail items that I've had since 2019, I will accept that offer just to clear the inventory. But it does seem like ending the old listing and relisting the item makes it fresh. And that's how I've sold these last 2 items. Next up is a very large bra, new with tags Bali, B-A-L-I. I don't think that brand is anything real special, but the fact that it was new with tags in a very large size, and it's a convertible bra that can be worn many ways. I did pick it up for $2 at my Goodwill. It was listed for 2 months. I accepted an offer of $18 on Poshmark, leaving my profit $12.40. Next up is a pair of maternity jeans. Again, I don't usually look in the maternity section, but these were new with tags, and I actually picked up 2 pair of these, one in white and one in black. I paid $3.25 each for these. The black pair sold. I accepted an offer of $18. But this also has been listed since June of 2020, so going on almost a year. So when I received the offer of $18 plus shipping, I quickly accepted it. I do have one more pair of these in white. Now this one I have not ended and relisted, it just sold flat out, so I may try that with the white pair just to see if it gathers any more interest. The next item to sell was a plus size pair of Lane Bryant capri pants. I paid $4.25 for these at Goodwill. It was listed less than 2 months. It sold for $20 over on Poshmark. leaving my profit $11.75. I will pick up Lane Bryant in a plus size, and this one seemed like it was unique with the star pattern throughout. I have had success selling Lane Bryant in plus size denim jeans. The next item is an Ariat Western long sleeve button front shirt. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. It sold within a couple weeks on Poshmark for $20. I did have it listed high at $35 because it was Ariat and it did have some venting to it. Having been listed 2 weeks, I was happy to take that quick profit of $12.50 on this shirt. This Women with Control is also new with tags. I picked up several of this brand in the store that day, new with tags. I thought the comps looked good, but this is the first one that I've sold. It's been listed going on 4 months. So I don't think I would pick this brand up again, even if it was new with tags. But this did sell for $21. I paid $3.50 for it, leaving my profit $11.76. Reselling is a constant learning process. So you take a chance on a certain brand that you see new with tags. Sometimes it pans out, sometimes it doesn't. Like I said, I probably would not pick this brand up again. The next item sold on Amazon. It was an IKEA puppy dog plush. It sold for $22.02 plus $4.99 shipping. The buyer was $28.30 all in. My shipping cost was $3.81, leaving my profit on this plush dog $17.91. I do pick up plush at my Goodwill for just 25 cents. This was used, but in like new condition. So it didn't have the original tag, but it clearly had not been played with. So the stuffed animals that I do pick up, I will list them on Amazon as well. I tend to get a higher price over on Amazon than I would on eBay. How y'all doing? I will make more of these what sold videos if you like them. And I know if you like them when you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. While you're at it, click that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. And now back to the higher priced sales. The next item sold within days on Facebook. It's an Affliction by Buckle t-shirt for men. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. The buyer paid $24 plus $5.50 shipping, leaving my profit $18.93. I have started to pick up this Affliction tee. They're very graphic and very colorful. I think this is probably the second one that I've sold, and that's what that tag looks like. The next item also sold on Facebook. It was a Lotto Italy soccer jersey. The elbows are padded in this. It looks to me like it's a goalie shirt, which is how I had it listed. I also added the keyword quilted and football. It sold in less than 2 months on Facebook for $25 plus $5.50 shipping. I paid $3.50 for this, leaving my profit $19.87. Next up is a baseball cap that I paid $1 for. I purchased this late last year in June. This has been listed for over 6 months. Last month, I ended all listings and relisted it across all platforms. I accepted an offer of $25 on Poshmark, leaving my profit $19. However, when I went to go find this out of my caps and hat box, I could not find it. So I'm sure it will show up somewhere. I just don't know when or where. So I had to cancel that order, but it was a sale, so I included it in my what sold video. The next item to sell sold on Mercari, a long denim skirt by Christopher & Banks, size 16. Now I have sold long denim skirts before, and the plus size version seems to do very well. This was listed only a couple of days, and it sold for my full price of $27 plus $12 shipping on Mercari. I paid $3.50 for this, leaving my profit $19.72. The next item sold on Facebook, a Harley Davidson t-shirt, size extra large. It sold for my full asking price of $29 plus $5.50 shipping within days of listing. Goodwill did mark this shirt up, and they did write the price on the inner tag in Sharpie marker, which is super annoying, but I didn't want to cut the tag and I didn't want to try to get it off without making a mess. So I just left it and photographed it. So I paid $4.50 for this. My profit, $22.65. The next item is a Cabela's very large 3XL tee. I believe it's a hunting or camping or fisherman type shirt. It's Safari series. I did purchase several of these at my Goodwill for $3.50 each. Again, they were all very large size, and they were either the Safari or Outdoor series. This one sold within days for my full asking price of $37.80 on promotion, plus $7 shipping. My profit on this, $30.06. The last item to sell sold on Mercari, a Reebok NFL Indianapolis Colts football jersey. It had a Super Bowl patch on it. Goodwill did mark this jersey up to $6. You can see here that they also wrote the price on the tag in black Sharpie marker. Again, I have no way of getting that off. If you guys know of a way to remove that Sharpie marker on the tag without tearing up the tag, let me know in the comments below. I had it listed for $89. The buyer sent me an offer of $76, leaving my profit $59.90. I just shared with you 17 items that sold in one day, a Wednesday, for over $450. I will break down the numbers, including my total cost of goods sold and net profit, in just a bit. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, a few of the items may have looked familiar. I like to play a game that I call Buy or Pass in my Instagram story, where I ask my Instagram followers if they would buy or pass on an item in Goodwill. 51% said yes, they would buy the Affliction t-shirt, while 49% said pass. The Lotto soccer jersey, 44% said buy, while the majority at 56% said pass for $3.50. Both of these items sold. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. I'm at piece.of.scrap. I sold 17 items in one day for a total of $450 gross sales. 4 items sold on Mercari, 3 on Facebook, 1 on Amazon, 1 on eBay, and 8 on Poshmark. Although one Poshmark sale had to be canceled because I could not find the baseball cap. And now for the numbers. Sales plus shipping was $446.31, so roughly $450 in one day. Fees, $68.29. My purchase price for the items, $45.25. And my shipping paid, $25.73. My net profit on this one day was $307.04 after fees and cost of goods sold, but before taxes. Did you learn something from today's video? If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, which lets me know that you like this type of video, and I will continue to make more of them. While you're at it, subscribe to my channel as I continue to produce what's sold on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook content. I will link other sales last month on the screen here. Continue watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.